When arthritis takes away your mobility, it feels like it takes away your freedom. I was tired of just managing the pain with heavy medications. What if you could actually repair the joint damage at a cellular level? Just across the border, in Tijuana, thousands are finding a real alternative. Tijuana has become a global epicenter for advanced biomedical treatments, offering regenerative protocols that are heavily restricted in the US or Canada. Unmatched convenience, located just minutes from San Diego, facilities often provide private medical shuttle services directly from the airport or border. Highly regulated care under Mexico's health authorities, utilizing specialized doctors who combine stem cells with holistic recovery therapies to maximize results. Localized intra-articular injections are best for osteoarthritis. Highly concentrated stem cells are injected directly into the affected joint, like the knee or hip, to naturally reduce friction and stimulate cartilage repair. Systemic intravenous MSC infusion is ideal for widespread or rheumatoid arthritis. Mesenchymal stem cells circulate through the bloodstream to modulate the overactive immune system and reduce systemic inflammation. Stem cell plus biotherapy protocol is exclusive to comprehensive Tijuana centers. This combines stem cells with supporting treatments like hyperbaric oxygen therapy and pulsed electromagnetic field therapy to supercharge cellular uptake and healing. In North America, limited cellular treatments can easily cost upwards of $15,000, often lacking supportive therapies. In Tijuana, top-tier comprehensive arthritis packages start between $4,500 and $5,995. This pricing is driven by favorable economic conditions and streamlined healthcare systems, allowing patients to get premium, fully expanded cells for a fraction of the cost. The $5,995 standard package typically includes the stem cell procedure, IV, multivitamins and vitamin C, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, Rife PEMF therapy, medical consultations, daily meals, and round-trip transportation from San Diego. Premier centers like Immunity Therapy Center and Progen Cell feature renowned specialists and state-of-the-art facilities. Take the first step toward reclaiming your mobility. Reach out to PlacidWay now for a free medical case review and discover how affordable advanced joint repair can be.